Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're doing a little more work on the Firebird here. So rather than tell you about it, let's show you about it. Where to go? On tonight's episode, we're loading up the Firebird finally. I'm waiting on the body shop to call me this week. Said he should be calling me, but it was a nice night. It ain't raining. It's supposed to rain in the next couple of days. So I decided to load it up tonight and tarp it. So let's bring you along for the video of me loading it, and without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright folks, there it is, all strapped down. I got a tarp over it because it's supposed to rain tonight. Just try and keep the surface rust off of it. But it is strapped down and ready to go. Tomorrow, it takes its little trip. Alright, we'll be right back. folks, that's it for tonight's video. We got the Firebird delivered to the body shop. I finally got a shower. It was 3 or 4 days of extreme weight loss, I guess, melting outside. If you noticed in the videos, it'd go from dry to look like I got soaked by a garden hose. It's been real warm down here. Coming up in some of the next videos, I think I'll pull my engine out and transmission out and give you guys kind of a rundown of what I'm doing with those for the Firebird. And then after that, as you can probably see in the background, I have tools and trash and boxes and all sorts of things laying around in my garage. This garage is in desperate need of a real good cleanup and organization. And then we will, I guess, try and pull that Volkswagen in here and start tearing into that, see what we can get into. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos over in, I guess, this area, kind of in space. But show you the Volkswagen project that's upcoming, and I guess some of my other videos. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.